Hello and welcome back to Daily English Pulse. Today we'll show you 8 simple ways to speak English more naturally. No boring grammar rules, just real tips you can use every day. Let's begin your journey to sounding confident and fluent in English. Section 1. Use contractions. Fluent English speakers use contractions. Instead of saying I am, we say I'm. Instead of she is, we say she's. Practice together. I am learning English. I'm learning English. You are my friend. You're my friend. Say it with me. I'm ready. You're doing great. She's a teacher. Section 2. Stop translating. Do you think in your native language and then translate? Stop doing that. Try to think in English instead. Practice tip. Look around your room and name what you see in English. Window, table, phone, notebook. Then say, this is my notebook. I write in it every day. Section 3. Learn sentence patterns. Memorize useful sentence patterns. Examples. Can I ask a question? I'd like to order food. I'm going to bed. Section 4. Slow down. You don't need to. Can I help you? I'd like to learn more. I'm going to the store. Practice prompt. Say this with me. Can I ask a question? I'd like to order food. I'm going to bed. Section 4. Slow down. You don't need to speak fast to sound fluent. Slow is clear. Clear is confident. Breathe. Think. Speak slowly. Practice together. I am learning English every day. I like to speak clearly. Good. You sound confident. Section 5. Use filler phrases. Native speakers use fillers while thinking. They help you sound natural. Examples. Let me think. Well, you know. Practice prompt. Try using them. Well, I think it's good. Let me think. Maybe 3 o'clock. You know it's not easy. Section 6. Copy native speakers. This technique is called shadowing. You listen, then repeat with the same tone and rhythm. Watch and repeat tip. Choose your favorite English video. Pause and say the same thing with the same emotion. Practice prompt. Let's try. Nice to meet you. Oh, really? That's interesting. See you later. Section 7. Use everyday phrases. Learn phrases you can use every day. Examples. What's up? I'm just chilling. No worries. That sounds great. Practice together. What's up? I'm good, thanks. That sounds awesome. Section 8. Speak every day. The best way to improve is simple. Speak every day. Ways to practice. Talk to yourself. Join language groups online. Read stories aloud. Use voice messages with friends. Repeat with me. I practice English every day. I'm not afraid to make mistakes. I'm getting better. You now have 8 easy ways to speak English naturally. Remember, use contractions. Think in English. Speak daily. Copy real English. You're not just learning English, you're living it. Thanks for watching Daily English Pulse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for more.